Where'd Mommy go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Look for her. She just disappeared.
Wow! Alright, let's go.
It's Saturday. Tell everybody where we're going.
We gonna Golden Girls.
No, we decided not to go.
I'm telling.
Oh, she's telling on me. We decided not to go to Golden Girls, which is a local restaurant right across the street from us. I think we're going to go to Golden Corral.
Yeah. Golden Corral.
And then we're going to go to Party City.
Party City. Right now.
We're going to get your birthday supplies. Your birthday's coming up.
Come on, Mommy. Hurry up.
Y'all are making me mad.
Why are we making you mad?
Because y'all are rushing me. And
well,
stop it. Don't even go there.
We started getting ready at 9:30.
Okay, but here's the situation on that, okay? We had an incident. For one, I asked David to put the clothes from the washing machine into the dryer, okay? He said, all right, I'll do it. So 30 minutes later, they still hadn't done it.
Okay, 9:30 to 12 is how many hours? How many?
Okay,
how long
and
did
I
it
had
take?
to, and then also too, we had the incident of Zoey spilling her cereal.
Did
I
you
had to
spill your
stop and do
cereal?
that.
Yeah.
You did. You spilled your cereal.
Mhm.
How did that happen?
It says happen.
Did you cry?
Mhm.
Did you feel bad? It was an accident.
Mhm. Who did this?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
What happened?
Zoe, point that out. Who did this?
Daddy.
What is that?
Father.
What did I do?
You slung the tea. You didn't know there was tea left over in your glass, and you slung it.
I used to work right over there.
Right over there. In that. So, we're on our way right now to the Golden Corral. And I had a little incident as we were leaving. I had taken my prenatal vitamins and kind of got nauseated, so I was going to do some vlogging on the way while David drove, but I wasn't feeling very well, so I'm doing better now.
We are here, ready to eat. Your pizza and French fries. Yeah, is that what you like? Oh my gosh, Zoe got cotton candy.
Show Daddy. Hold it up. See?
Oh. Take a bite and tell me how it is. Go ahead.
Eat it.
Is it good?
It's good.
Does it melt? Melts in your mouth, right?
What are you eating?
I am eating this banana pudding.
I'm full. Alright, so we're headed into Party City. We got everybody going. Are you excited, Zoe? You are?
You're so sweet, what, you sissy?
Here we are.
You need to jump up and down and wake up?
Huh?
Zoe, tell me if you can find some trolls. Go look. Hurry. Go look. Smells open. Hey Zoe, I have a prize for you.
We got sunglasses.
I have a surprise for you.
Don't.
Close your eyes. Okay, open it.
No, she found some poop sunglasses. Dave, look.
Cool.
Look, Dave.
Mm-hmm. Put it on a hook. Try on another hat, Zoey. Hey. Oh, that was stuck. Here. Good. There you go. There you go, just like that. Say, God bless America. Oh, I forgot your slinky. I've been trying to get you a slinky. Trying to get you to buy one at Walmart. Come on. Let's go look for some more slinkies. Let's go.
More slinkies.
Dun dun dun. That's too big. Look how her knees hit.
See?
Do you see how you're doing your legs like that? See how you're doing the pedals? Why do you not do that on the bicycle?
You do it on a bike. You
That's
just
the
do
way
the
you do it
same
on a
way.
bicycle. Right, here's one. Try it.
I can do this.
Do it on this bicycle.
Well, now you're going backward. Now we are going into Best Buy. We're gonna try to look for a vlogging camera, even though we can't buy one. We just want to look and see which is the best kind that would be best for us.
Affirmative.
Now we have to get in the Geek Squad car. What's up, Doug?
It's awesome.
Okay, these are all the cameras. Now this is the one that everybody uses right here. And I like that one right there. This is the one that I think that we need to go with here soon, just because it's cheaper and it does the job. Maybe one day. All right, we just came out from Best Buy, and guess what we got? We got nothing.
Huh?
Where'd Mommy go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Look for her. She just disappeared.
Wow! Alright, let's go.
We did a whole video without hitting video, so we're gonna try this again. We went to
Did everybody have a good day today?
we went to a couple stores and got us and looked around. And then we got some ice cream and cookies.
Mm-hmm.
Like we need more of that. What else did we say? And Zoe's on the phone watching YouTube Kids.
I think YouTube Kids is so great. That's the greatest thing they've come up with.
Yeah, it is a great app. I'm hoping one day our channel gets on there. And
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, please.
We're laughing because this is the second time going through this script.
Saying it. I mean, we just kind of said it, just for the heck of it. I mean, it was coming out just fine, and then it's like we had to memorize what we said before. And I don't know. It's one of those things you had to be here to get. Okay. Anyways, moving on. We're tired. It's 5:30 in the day, and I feel like I have been up since the butt crack of dawn. Of course, Zoe got up at 6:30 this morning.
That's that she's trained to get up that early. That's what time she gets up for school. But
I don't know, Dave. She has slept in before. So
we'll see what the rest of the day holds, though.
hey guys. Hey, It's Saturday afternoon and we've been out and about today, and we came home and my hair was killing me. My hair is so long. It is very, very long. This is the longest it's been in a long time, but if I don't take it down, it hurts my head. I do have some news to tell you all that I told you that I was going to share with you. I wasn't going to share it with you all until later tonight, but I decided I can't wait any longer. Since the Clomid, I finished the Clomid up. It was only a 5-day span of pills that I had to take. I finished those up. I started taking the ovulation test. I knew the first 2 days weren't going to be anything. Well, today is the start of the 10th day. And for any of you all that know what days you're supposed to peak on, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay? Well, sometimes they say you start to peak, and you could peak on day 10. You know, you could, drop it to day 10. But it starts to show the signs of, if everything's going right and smoothly, then you'll start showing signs of ovulation. Well, I took the ovulation test today, and I don't know if you all can see this or not, but do you see that? It's supposed to be 2 bright lines, and since it's the start of it, one of the lines is faint. That means that we're on track and everything is going just like supposed to. Okay, good news is I'm on track. So I was so excited to see those 2 lines. No, it does not mean I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant from what I know right now, but it does mean that I am ovulating. Not right now, but I've not stopped ovulating yet. I don't know if it's the Clomid and then that's what it's supposed to do. It is supposed to jumpstart your ovulation, and I think that to say the least, I am pleased with the Clomid so far. It has started my ovulation, so we know that I'm ovulating, so that's a good thing. All right, from what this little test shows. So I just had to share that wonderful news with you guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Where are we going, Zoe? We're going to Nana's, if you didn't hear that.
Nana is my mother.
That was my Nana.
Uh-huh. Now, this is what's funny. Watch this. Zoe,
What?
do you know that Nana, your Nana, is my mom? That's my mama.
No.
Yes,
That's my mommy.
No, I'm your mommy. That's my mommy.
No, that's my mommy.
And Grandma is Daddy's mama.
Yep. She doesn't get that concept.
She does not get that. She does not understand that. But we're headed up there to go see my mom and them. My mom and stepdad. They're on their way to go to the beach tomorrow morning. And then next week, is it next weekend? Or the weekend after? Next couple of weeks, David's family is going on vacation. And we don't like nobody. No. We don't like none of you. Yeah. No, we're just kidding. We hope y'all have a good time.
We could go to Polly's Island, but it just didn't work out this year.
It didn't work out because David received a new promotion at his job. Zoe, when are you going on vacation? Actually, we're going to be on vacation in,
Yes,
what is
a
today's
month.
date?
A month from a couple days from now.
Yeah.
Well, it's the mountain vacation. We're going to the mountains instead of the beach.
Yeah. But Zoe loves the mountains. She loves it. And there's so much to do up there. And to us, it's like vacation. It really is vacation to us. I mean, we do a lot. There's so much to do up there.
Chickens are circles.
This is so cool.
No, you got
Now
it
that's
upside down.
right here. This is the edge.
You
Remember?
got to have the edge on the back.
Now This is part of a pig. And if it's part of the edge, look down here. And it's got grass on it. Has it got grass on it?
Yeah.
No,
this
you
piece.
got.
Does it have grass?
It's got a tail.
It's got a tail. Look right here. There's part of his tail.
Okay, so we were just got back from my mom's house, and David was looking on the on his phone and noticed that there was some bad weather coming our way. So we headed out. We all of a sudden were in Zoe's room, and David noticed that the wind was blowing really, really bad outside, and I just want to show you guys how bad this is. Yeah, hold on to my phone. I don't know if you guys can see the light pole right there and how it's shaking. Okay. There's the trees. I mean, this was really bad there for a while. It was blowing extremely bad for a minute, and it seems like it's died down a little bit. So, there's supposedly supposed to be a bad storm headed this way in about an hour or so. So, we're gonna just stay tuned into the news to watch. I'll show you this light pole. This is crazy. The thing is absolutely swaying. I know y'all probably can see it. It is swaying. What did y'all think about that wind?
It was crazy.
What's crazy?
Wasn't it? Well, we're gonna stay tuned. Stay buckled down, okay?
Okay.